ってもいいような夜だけどどよめききらめきと君もとってもいいような夜だけど二人刻もうまだ止まった刻む針も入り浸った散らかる部屋も変わらないね思い出しては二人年を重ねてた
For today's lunch, we're gonna make soba noodles and dumplings. This is my favorite brand of dumplings that I always buy from H-Mart. It's called the House Mandu.
It's for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. It's even more than anyone that you adore can love. It's all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game. Two in love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love was made for me and you.
Lunch is served. My first meal of the day. Oh, always hits the spot. I've been eating soba noodles like this ever since I was in elementary school and it's so easy to make. You can add other toppings like grated radish and wasabi, but I just like to keep mine simple. It's the perfect summer meal too. Try dumpling. I love spicy food, so I like dipping my dumplings in the soy sauce and topping it with a serrano pepper. Tonight is taco night. I actually love me some homemade ground beef tacos. It just takes a little bit of work because there's so many ingredients involved, but whenever I make it, it's always so delicious. So I'm gonna make some beef tacos and I'm also gonna make some cocktails tonight.
Honey, won't you come with me? I'll make sure you get all your diamond rings. Right here is where I wanna be. We're floating on the wings of timeless love. Oh, I know that your heart's stuck with someone else, but you should know that I want you and no one else. I wanna be yours, wrapped up riding down this road. You wanna be you wanna be sure. Just taste my love, you'll see it's yours. I wanna be yours, wrapped up riding down this road. You wanna be sure. Just taste my love, you'll see it's yours. I wanna be yours, wrapped up riding down this road. You wanna be sure. Just taste my love, you'll see it's yours. I wanna be yours, wrapped up riding down this road.
Morning guys, I'm about to make some coffee now. It's a little bit later in the day, but I'm just gonna have a simple late breakfast and I'm gonna make Japanese iced pour over coffee. Some of you have asked me on Instagram how I make my coffee because I've shown myself making it a couple of times in my previous vlog, so I'm gonna show you how I make it right now. Today's coffee beans of the day is gonna be from Maru.
Know you got a heart that's undecided, just like mine. Yeah, it takes its sweet time. Yeah. I've been trying to dive into the deep end, 'cause I don't really wanna lose a good friend, but I might find something divine. It's electric every time we touch up, believe in all this set rush, but sometimes it's too much. If we never try, how will we know? Baby, how far is it gonna go? Give me a sign if I'm on your mind. I don't wanna fall I wish that I could say what you were thinking. I hate telling sleep out when I've been drinking, but oh well, yeah. I can't help myself, yeah.
Tonight's dinner menu is bulldog fire noodles and fish cake stew.
내일이 올 거라는데 넌 핸드폰을 놓지 못해 잠을 올 생각이 없대 yeah. 다시 인스타그램 잘난 사람 많고 많지 누군 어디 놀러 갔다지 좋아요도 안 눌렀어 나만 이런 것 같아서 저기 인스타그램 속에 문제야 문제 온 세상 속에 똑같은 사랑 노래가 와닿지 못해 나의 맘속에 생각이 너무 많네
I don't always eat this bad. This is definitely my cheat day. Just been craving spicy junk food the whole week. Oh my god. It's my first time trying bulldog, which is basically rice cake in the fish cake soup. I think this is specialized in Busan, but I know that they have it in Seoul too. I just never had it before. Wow.
클럽 말고 뭐 영화 말고 뭐 엄마가 결국 돈내
That was so good, but my mouth is on fire right now, so I need like something cold or sweet, and I have the perfect thing for it. I just bought this black sesame mochi ice cream from H Mart. Never tried it, so trying it for the first time. Wow, and the texture of the mochi outside is really chewy and sticky. I feel like sometimes when I buy mochi ice cream, the mochi texture is just not it. It's rubbery and hard, but this one has a good texture.
Baby, you're my sun and moon, and boy, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, boy. You make flowers bloom, and boy, you make the stars collide. And I know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine. 'Cause you give me love and affection, I give you all my protection. I'm trying to stay by your side till the day.
So I was gonna make myself breakfast and coffee today, but when I was out, I passed by a cute cafe, so I got tempted to buy a chocolate croissant and store-bought coffee. So I got an iced Americano, and I'm gonna go heat up my croissant so it's nice and toasty.
Everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, boy. You make flowers bloom, boy. You make the stars collide. And I know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine. 'Cause I see your face when I'm sleeping. I wake up grateful to
Craving satisfied. I've gotten coffee from here before, but I've never gotten anything to eat, and I always see that they have so many yummy looking pastries and sandwiches, all of that. So finally trying their croissants. I do wish there was a little bit more chocolate because the chocolate is just kind of only on one side and there's nothing here. But it's still pretty good. So it's time for lunch now, and I'm gonna make an easy breakfast burrito. Because I had something sweet for breakfast, I'm still craving like a savory breakfast item. So I'm just gonna make myself a simple burrito. I also bought these tortillas from Whole Foods. This is the La Tortilla Factory brand. And these are my favorites. I love it because the texture is just so chewy. Ever since I tried these, I don't really use any other brand of tortillas now. You can honestly add whatever you have in your fridge in here. You can add mushrooms, peppers, sometimes I put chicken and steak. I also like to use turkey bacon instead of regular bacon because it's just a little bit more healthier. Hello guys, I just got home and it was honestly a pretty busy day today and I don't feel like cooking, but I do have some chicken that I have to use up before it goes bad. So I think I'm gonna make one of my favorite Korean dishes. It's called 닭갈비, which is spicy stir-fried chicken. And tomorrow I am going into the office, so it'd be perfect to make 닭갈비 because I usually make enough to have leftovers the next day. I'm so lazy to cook, but I know I'll thank myself later, so let's get cooking.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. And the last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. And I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to earn the lonely night. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, stay.
Dinner is served. Ever since I was a kid, I used to love spicy food, and this was one of the Korean dishes that I like the most. My mom would usually cook it for me before she goes to work, and then after school I would just come home, heat it up, and eat it.
So much, and long last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you.
So I just got home from work and it was quite a busy day in the office. Now I need to prepare some dinner and I'm actually not that hungry because I'm so full from the lunch that I brought, and I did snack a little bit throughout the day. So whenever I'm not that hungry, I like to eat something healthy. One of my go-to healthy meals is air fried tilapia and some veggies on the side. So I think for the veggie option, I'm gonna just stir fry some bok choy with garlic. I'll show you guys how I season my tilapia, and I do this for any type of fish like salmon and chicken and steak. It's just a very universal way to spice up your meat. And while that's cooking in the air fryer, we'll prepare some bok choy. Let's go cook! This is also a good option if you just don't feel like cooking, because you literally just have to season it and pop it in the air fryer. I actually make this quite often, especially on work days. That drizzle of sesame oil on top of the bok choy makes a huge difference. For dessert, I'm gonna make one of my favorite things to make, and all you need is 뻥튀기, which is like these huge rice poppers. Got mine from H Mart. And some ice cream. For this, vanilla ice cream is my favorite, and I'm using Halo Top. This is only 290 calories for the entire pint. So I'm basically just gonna make a 뻥튀기 ice cream sandwich. I usually just take 2 pieces like this, spread the ice cream on one side, and just sandwich the other one on top. Wrap up my video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and you like some of the recipes that I shared. If you did, leave a comment down below on what dish was your favorite. I personally love watching what I eat in a week videos because I try my best not to do takeout, especially during the weekdays, so definitely helps give me ideas watching what people cook at home. So I hope you guys also found this somewhat useful, and thanks again for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!